Today I'm going to show you how to transform a graphic, text, or a logo into a woodcut in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File. And open a photo that you'd like to make into a woodcut. Go to Window. And open Channels panel. Hold the Control key, and click any of the channel thumbnails to select your image. To select inside, go to Select. And Inverse. Click on the Mask button to remove the background. Select your Move tool from the toolbar. And drag it up onto the tab of the wood background. Press Ctrl-T to free transform. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Double-click on this, and rename it Chef. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to soft light. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Select the layer below. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Click Bevel and Emboss. The style is Inner Bevel. The technique is Chisel Soft. The depth is 100%. The direction is down. The size is 10 pixels. And the soften is 0. Check Use Global Light. The angle is 120 degrees. The altitude is 30 degrees. The gloss contour is linear. The highlight mode is linear dodge. The color is white. And the opacity is 25%. The shadow mode is linear burn. The color is black. And the opacity is 75%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.